in a previous video, I have done the Total Skincare, the Flawless Finish Foundation, the Now You See It, Now You Don't concealer. Now I'm going to show you the Pot of Gold collection. Okay, now I'm going to apply the Fiddlestick Fern by spraying my brush. This helps the pigment stay onto the lid and attach to the lid where they will stay on longer. I've done Cloud 9 at the brow, and I'm going to blend real good back and forth like a windshield wiper application. Okay, I've used the Gold Shimmer, the Fiddlestick Fern, and the Cloud 9. Now I'm taking the Baroque Gel Eye Liner in the eyelid and putting it on the waterline and on the top of the lid. The gel eyeliner is phenomenal about just going on so smooth. You will also have a pencil sharpener included in your pot of gold. Now I'm going to spray the Do It To Me on the eyeliner brush that's in your brush set, and I'm going to do the Emerald City, the pigments, the mineral eyes. They are absolutely gorgeous. On your underneath your eyes, you can do it on the lid like Ashley showed you. I'm just gonna go real close to the lashes, top and bottom, and bring out those eyes, whatever your colors they are, hazel, blue, brown. It will just really emphasize, and it's very subtle, but it is absolutely beautiful. You're going to love this Emerald City Mineral Eyes. Now I already had a coat of mascara because of the previous video on the minimalistic, so I'm gonna add more Drama Queen mascara to both the eyes, coat the top and the bottom. And when you always go down on the top and curl it up, it'll take any excess pigments that have fallen onto the eyelashes. I had applied the pink lip stay on the lips and a sugar lip gloss, so I'm just going to continue to use that on this look. And now I'm going to use the Mauve On Over Blush Trio. I'm going to use the light color for a highlighter. Then what I'll do is I will use the pink that is in there, a little light mauve, and apply that on the apple of the cheek, back at the top of the base of the ear. And so that'll be a layer in the blush, and then blend out great with a powder. You will be getting the Tropical Bronze Shimmer. You just open it and then apply, and it gives you a little shimmer. It smells like the beach. You can apply to your eyes, your chin, your nose, and voila, that's the look.